Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I have a brand new TikTok hack to get you more TikTok followers, more TikTok views, but more importantly, more brand awareness to your TikTok account. And this is gonna be a brand new method, a brand new hack in 2021 to get you more views on TikTok this year. Now guys, I'm gonna walk you step by step on how to use this method, and I'm gonna show you proof that this method is working. I promise you've never seen anything like this before on how to get more followers and how to get more views on TikTok in 2021. So I'm really excited to show you this method, guys. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But the main goal of my channel is to help you build a six-figure business with affiliate marketing. Guys, I left my job as an electrical engineer in March of 2020, and I've only been doing this for not even a full year. So that's the main goal of my channel. If you want to learn more, guys, please subscribe. Let's get to the actual video. Now, the strategy I'm going to show you is very simple, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, what we're doing is we're going to be actually getting our TikTok videos and uploading them to Pinterest. So I'm going to walk you step by step on exactly how to do this, because Pinterest is actually very powerful. Okay, now they just released a video pin not that long ago, so they're really putting a lot of emphasis on video pins on Pinterest. Okay, so there's an example right here. This is Maddie right here. Now, she gets 10 million monthly viewers, and all she's doing is re-uploading her videos on Pinterest. Okay, now what you can see here is, like, if I click on one of her videos here, let me see. If I click on one of her videos, it should, I don't know, she doesn't even have a link here, but what I'm going to show you how to do is how to actually get people to go back to your TikTok. Now, I believe she has a link in here. Let me show you another example, because there was a link right here. This is another one from Everse. Right here. Now, she gets over 6.9 million monthly viewers, and all they're doing is uploading TikToks, which is just insane to me, because that's all they're doing, guys. All they're doing is getting their TikToks and re-uploading them to YouTube, or I'm sorry, to the Pinterest account. Now, what I'm not seeing here is they don't have any links to their actual TikTok. So they're not actually getting even more views on their TikTok, but what they're doing is they're getting a ton of views on their Pinterest. They're still building their business and brand. Now, what I want to show you is how can we use our TikTok account to get more views on Pinterest and get people on Pinterest back on TikTok. Okay, so here's an example here of my account. Now, here's what's crazy. I literally just posted this about 10 minutes ago, okay? 10 minutes ago, I got, and I've already gotten 2.7 thousand views on this pin. Now you can see this is a TikTok here that I posted. Now what I'm doing is I'm actually driving people back to my YouTube channel. So if they click on this pin, it'll go to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's the main goal for me. What I'm going to show you how to do is get more views on your TikTok to get more views on there. Okay, but the main goal of this is I want to show you guys, like literally I just posted this like 12 minutes ago, and you can see already 2.7 thousand views on this one right here. Okay, so it's just insane. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how we do this. So I'm going to go to my TikTok and show you exactly what we need to do to get our TikToks on Pinterest, but more importantly, how to actually build this out for the long term. All right. So I'm going to pick a random TikTok on how to do this. So let me see if I can find a good one here.
This side hustle is making people thousands of dollars.
Let's do this one right here, okay? So make money re-uploading other people's content on YouTube, all right? So this one has done very well for me on TikTok, so it should do well for me on Pinterest, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and you wanna click the video. Now what you wanna do is you wanna go to TikTok on your desktop. So if you go to tiktok.com, at the top here, you can see I have my @Passive Income Lifestyles right there. Okay, so at the top there, that's where you want to go, is you want to find your TikTok on the desktop. It just makes it a lot easier. So this is step one. You want to click on the video, and then you want to hit copy link. Okay, this is the copy link right here. You want to click that button here. So copy link. Once you copy link, you're going to go to a website called snaptick.app, okay? So snaptick.app, and we'll just go to, I'll show you where to find it on Google. So we're going to go Snaptick, and you can also do Snaptick, just like that. Okay, I just want to show you how it's spelled. And then you're going to go to snaptick.app. And what we're going to do here is we're going to download this video here, or we're going to go to this website here, and we're going to paste in that link that we just got on TikTok. Okay, so I'm going to do here, and what this app does is it allows you to download the video, but what I like is it actually gets rid of the watermark. Okay, so remember the watermark that TikTok usually leaves? It actually gets rid of that with this software here. It's a free software. Once it's downloaded or uploaded, all you got to do is download server here. Let me just show you where that's at. So just pick this first button right there. Okay, then I'm going to download this. It comes up with an ad. It should, give it a second. It should download. Let me see here. Here we go. Let me re-upload that, guys. I'm not sure why that didn't work. Let me try that one more time. Okay, let me do download server. There we go. Okay, so now it's downloading. Once we do that, you're gonna go to your Pinterest account. Now, if you don't have a Pinterest account, I do have an older video where I show you how to set all that up. So you guys go check that out if you haven't seen that yet. But if you already have a Pinterest account, just go to your account. You're gonna go to create on the top left. Okay, you're gonna go create. You're gonna go to create pin. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do here is upload the video here. I'm gonna click this video. Now, I'm gonna show you how to do this because this is really important, guys, all right? Is we wanna set up a good title and a good description here, okay? Now, I've already done this because I actually re-uploaded this. I made this as a YouTube video. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do here, okay? So this is a video I had already made. So I have already done all this hard work, okay? This is the video I made, and then I made a TikTok about this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and copy all this information because I already know. Okay, so I'm going to go make money re-uploading YouTube videos. I'm going to copy that as the title. Okay, I'm going to post that in here. And then right here, you definitely want to have a good description because this tells Pinterest what the video is about. All right, so I'm going to go back over here. And the good thing is I've already done all this work. Okay, so I'm actually literally going to copy all this right here because I've already done this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, go back to Pinterest and add that in there. Okay, so let me see. Let me get rid of some of this stuff. Let me see. We only have 500 characters. Let me get rid of that. Still not ready. Let me see here. Let me get rid of some of this. Walk you. There we go. Perfect. So now I have my description and it has my keywords inside of there. Okay. Now, almost done here, guys. So we just want to add some tags in here. Just tell it what it's about. So I'm just going to put YouTube. So YouTubers, I'm going to put YouTube again, business and advertising. I'm going to put marketing. This kind of just tells it what it's about. I'm going to put online business. Let's see if it gives me anything. Online business. Let me see, online business. Let me see, small business, starting a business. Okay, let's do that. Okay, now this is important, guys. Okay, so this is where you want to put your link here. Now, if you want more views to your TikTok, okay, this is really important. Okay, you have to go back over here, and you want to get people to this TikTok. So you want to go to copy link here. Okay, and you want to make sure that this is going to your TikTok account. Okay. Now, for me, I want people to go to my YouTube channel. That's the main goal for me. So I'm just going to copy the video that goes to this YouTube channel, but you can see the point, right? You're going to get way more views and people to click. So this is the link where you want them to go. Now, again, this is going to get you more views on TikTok if you want more views on YouTube, or if anything, you want to make money with affiliate marketing, right? That's how I make my money. That's how I've been able to quit my job as an electrical engineer. So for me, I'm just going to put the YouTube link here. And that's it, guys. All I'm going to do here is publish this. I'm going to put this in one of my boards here. So I think I have a money. Let me see how to make money online. I'm going to publish it there, okay? And that's it, guys. That's exactly how you get your videos from TikTok and uploading them on Pinterest. What's really important, guys, is I want to stress this out, is the title in the description. Now, I obviously took the time and I've already done that, but you need to take some time and do that, because if you have a good title and a good description, more people are going to find your Pinterest videos, and then from there they're going to click on your video and go to your TikTok account where you get a ton, way more views. Okay, so you can see there. Let me refresh this here, and it should be there in just a second. Let me see. And there it is, okay? Now, I'm going to wait a few minutes here and just see exactly, I want to see how many views it gets in the first like minute or so. Let's just test this out. Okay. I just want to see, you can see this first one here. I've already had almost 3,000 views on this one. Now what's cool, if I click on this video here, okay, if I click on this actual video, you know, people can watch the video, but more importantly, they're going to go to the link, right? It's going to go to the link of me teaching them how to make money re-uploading videos, right? Now, again, if you want them to just go to your TikTok account, you can do that, okay? If you add the link to your TikTok. Now, I think what most people do wrong here is they just share this to Pinterest, okay? They just share it. What you need to do is copy the link and then download it using snaptik.app. Once you download it, you have to spend time on this title, okay? I'm gonna give you one more tip here, okay? With this title, you can actually do your research on Pinterest itself. So if I go to make money on YouTube, here we go. So make money on YouTube without filming. So people are already searching that. Pinterest is literally telling me what people are searching for, right? Make money on YouTube without filming. So it's already there. So guys, all the information you need for the title, description, it's already there. You just got to go and find people or find the keywords and the descriptions and put them in there. Okay. Now, real quick, I just want to go back over here. I just want to see if there's any views yet. So no, nothing yet, guys, but I'm going to come back here in the next minute or so. So it looks like it just posted here. But yeah, we'll see what happens with this, guys. This is a great way to get a ton of views to your TikTok account, and I think it's going to be an amazing hack to help you grow in 2021. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment down below. And if you want to learn exactly how I went from 0 to 6 figures with my affiliate marketing business and quit my engineering job, I'm going to leave a link in the first description, or the first link down below in the YouTube description. It's going to take you through my 3-day $7 challenge and exactly how to make money with affiliate marketing. So go check that out, guys. Please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. God bless.